So we've got a few bare patches that we said we were going to cover over the last few weeks, and you can see the grass has actually started to recover really well, but there are a few little bare areas. Now this one's an interesting one to start with. A few pieces of kit I'm going to use. I'm going to get this rake here, give it a good roughing up, pull out a bit of the thatch and dead grass. Then I've got my grass seed. Now this grass seed, choice of grass seed is important. This is a hardy grass seed because I've got kids running around the garden, but it still looks pretty good if you treat it well, but no point putting ornamental seed in this garden. But this is 50 grams of grass seed, and this is the amount you would use over a square metre if you were sowing new lawn. 35 grams for overseeding. So you can see how little that actually is. There's no point in putting too much grass seed down, because then all you find is the grass seed is all fighting for the same nutrition, for the same area, for the same water, for the same air. So don't be tempted to put loads of grass seed down. And then obviously you're going to need some topsoil. This one's a bit wet today, but it's not too much of a problem, and that's just the massive bag of grass seed I've got for all year round.